Hey everyone! Glowing Star, welcome back to the channel. The wait for Samsung's next flagship phone is almost over, and it looks like the Galaxy S25 Ultra is going to raise the bar in a big way. A major leak just revealed what could be a game-changing upgrade to its camera system. If you're a fan of smartphone photography or simply can't get enough of the latest and greatest tech, brace yourselves. The S25 Ultra is poised to redefine what a smartphone camera can do. Camera innovations. For years, Samsung's Galaxy Ultra series has set the bar high for smartphone photography, and the upcoming S25 Ultra is ready to push the envelope even further. Leaked details suggest some jaw-dropping specs and features that will make both casual photographers and professionals sit up and take notice. Recent leaks expose thorough data for the ultra-wide lens in the camera array, showing a 50-megapixel sensor that takes 12.5-megapixel photos with 4:1 pixel binning, a 23.2mm focal length, EIS stabilization, and 4080 by 3060 resolution. This is an enhancement over the ultra-wide lens on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Comparisons with rivals. Samsung isn't just competing against its own smartphones. The S25 Ultra will also be compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which has proven to be a formidable photography phone. The S25 Ultra's telephoto lens is expected to have variable capabilities, potentially offering smoother zooms. Design and features. The Galaxy S25 Ultra has been detected on a certification site disclosing critical information, such as the possibility of satellite connectivity. If true, Samsung will join Apple, Google, and Huawei in offering this feature. Satellite connectivity could enable users to receive aid and contact emergency numbers in times of need and in regions with poor network coverage. Display technology. While the next Galaxy S25 Ultra may not keep pace with rivals in display technology, it will include Corning's new Gorilla Armor cover glass, which reduces reflections by 75%, provides great scratch resistance, and enhances durability. Despite sticking with the M13 OLED panel, the S25 Ultra promises a top-notch viewing experience. Pricing and release date. Reports suggest that Samsung might not increase the price of the Galaxy S25 series compared to its predecessor. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will come in 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB options, with at least 12GB RAM for the standard model and up to 16GB RAM for the higher editions. Samsung is set to debut the Galaxy S25 series in San Francisco on January 22, 2025, with devices expected to reach store shelves by January 31st. Software support. Samsung is committed to providing up to 7 years of software support, including major Android OS updates and security fixes. This ensures that your Galaxy S25 Ultra will stay up to date with the latest features and security patches.